What's up, pumpkin people? It's Eric from Big E Giant Pumpkins. I'm going to give you an update about our plant in the hoop house here. Like and subscribe to our page. Really appreciate the support so far. This week, the giant pumpkin is about in the greenhouse for about 4 weeks now. It should be coming out of the hoop house within a couple days or so. Spring has sprung here in the Northeast. You can see the sun just glistening off my face right now. It's about 75, 80 degrees. The weather has definitely turned for the better in the past couple of days, and the plant has definitely responded to the better weather. So I'm gonna give you a quick little update on our pumpkin plant. I'm gonna show you how the plants are doing up on the shed. Check out that video. Here we go. All right, here's a look at the plant. Probably our last update from inside the hoop house. Looking really good. It's probably a couple feet long now, the vine. And it's growing about a half a foot a day. The color looks really nice. Pretty happy with this plant so far. Just gotta get those secondary vines kicking in a gear. I see some secondary development, but a little slow, but should kick in real soon with the nicer weather. Looking real good. This hoop house will be taking off soon, but all in all, looking real good. Okay, one other thing I wanted to show you guys was how good the lawn's looking this week. The lawn's looking really nice. So if you guys like lawn care videos, I'm gonna try to post those more frequently on what I do to keep my lawn green. We're up here at the shed, and look at those flowers. They've only been in here for a couple days now, and they've really taken off. So check out that video, how I did this and what I do. I'm gonna keep giving you guys updates on the flowers all season. But like and subscribe to our page, and until next week, grow 'em big.